So something like that. What you can also do, you can also head over to basic over here and do what I just did. Hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can crop a video on CapCut Mobile. Now to be able to crop a video on CapCut Mobile is pretty simple. First, of course, you need to have a video on your project timeline. So I already have a video here. I've already set it to 1080p, and yep, you can even set it to 4K if you want. Now it's better if you know what resolution you'll be setting this to, because once you're cropping your video, then that will greatly affect the quality of the video that you are editing, or the output that it will look like. Because the more zoomed in it is, the more wait, never mind, we're talking about cropping here, we're not talking about zooming in, right? Now let's say you want to crop a video. I have it here, and I just want the part in the middle to be shown. So what I can do is you click on the clip here, or press on it, and then you scroll until you find transform over here, and now you go over to resize. Here at resize, you have the option to crop your video. Now you even have the preset aspect ratios over here that you can use, or you can just go custom. So let's say I'm just gonna go custom. I'm just gonna drag this in the middle over here. Let's say I want to use this on a phone. I can make it like that. I can even rotate it if I wanted so, but I'm not gonna touch that. So we're just gonna set that to like that, and as you can see, you have cropped the video to just show that part over there. Now let's say you don't want to change the aspect ratio, you just want it to be the original 1080p. Well, you can just always zoom in on the part of the video by doing what I'm just doing here, but just pinching and then just zooming in the part of the video or the clip that you want to be shown. So something like that. What you can also do, you can also head over to basic over here and do what I just did by just scaling, or the position. As you can see, it's the same thing, but it's way easier to use your gestures or your fingers. That's it. That is how you can crop a video on CapCut Mobile. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.